Namaste everyone, welcome back to Zesty Nimbu. So this is the first vlog that I'm going to do, my road trip to Tirupati and Kanchi. So this is the vehicle that we'll be traveling in, Tata Safari. Whenever I reach a destination, I'll try to vlog about that particular place. So see you then. Hi, we have stopped here for our breakfast. Hotel 44, just after Jadcherla. So we are on to our next destination. This is the car. Yay! River Krishna. It's dry at this point in time, but once rains start, it will start overflowing. This is River Krishna on the way to Tirupati near Vadaparthi. This is the Tungabhadra River. Just before Kurnool on the way to Tirupati. Tungabhadra has some water like Krishna. Probably this will also fill up once the rainy season starts. A special form of rocks. Orvakal. Special type of rock. Nice. Different type of rock formation. Looks so nice here. Hello everyone, this is our first destination in our road trip. This is the famous Sri Kodandarama Swami temple at Ontimetta near Tirupati. So the speciality of this temple is that there is no Hanumanji here. So it is said that Sri Rama, Sita and Lakshmana, when they had come here on their vanvas, they had come here without Hanuman. Before they met Hanuman, they had come here. So that is the speciality of this temple. It's a very old temple. So you can look at the Gopuram, it's such a grand Gopuram. It's a beautiful place. We will just go inside and see how the other temple looks like, the whole temple looks like. This is the beautiful Gopuram of the temple. Look at the intricate artwork here. So lovely, such an old architectural marvel. This is the entrance, Mahadwaram. Wow. This is the Balipitham and that is the Dvajasthambam. This is the Ranga Mandapam. This is the whole prangana of the temple. It's too hot today. We can't take the pictures of the murtis inside the temple, and hence photography is prohibited. So I'm just taking the outside of the temple. Look at the grandeur of the statues. Unfortunately, the invaders came and broke the statues. If you can see, there is no head, no hands of the sculptures there. That's the sad state of affairs of the temples these days. This is the beautiful prangan of the temple. These are all the various mandapams. This is the Kalyanotsavam mandapam. This is another mandapam. Look at the statues of this great temple. 1356th year Sila Shasanam. That means history of the temple was written in that particular year. This is an even older temple. So this completes the tour of our temple, Sri Kodandarama Temple, Ontimetta. It was a beautiful temple. Look at the construction and all. It was amazing. So let's go to our next destination. I'll keep you posted. Until then, bye.